Hello everyone, this is Patty's Hobby World here for another video on hair. I also received wonderful comments and likes about the color of her hair and how it turned out on this one. So I'll talk about this one as well. This one particularly a dark brunette. This took hours and hours to color, hours. Because I was determined to get her hair as dark as possible. As dark as possible. So we're going to zoom in just right up here and see this wonderful brunette. Hours of coloring. Browns, reds, oranges were all the pencils I used. Black. And then just overlapping. And I think it came out really well. I also wanted to show you her pearls down her braid. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit for that so you can see that as well. And my daughter said you could literally pick those pearls right out of her hair. And I told her I wish I could. There's her tattoo. I like to keep their tattoos nice and soft and not too harsh looking. Okay. And remember we talked about the, I'm going to bring her in. There was a little diamond in that key. And I want to show you the bling bling. I'm going to screw him in. See if I can get it. And there it is. So the diamonds, I just did it with a ice blue pencil. And then after I was done, I made that little starburst to create the bling bling look. Okay. I also got a comment from her rose. They said that her rose was, I colored the rose pretty darn good here. And of course that took practice. There we go. It took a lot of practice to get that rose. I used about four colors. Pink, red, a darker red, a lighter pink, and then a little bit of gel pen white just for the tips. And then a little dark brown in the crevices, deep in the crevices, so that rose could literally pop out. So it turned out well. And this is just practice. And same thing with the leaves, her headdress. I did try to spend some time on those too. So I created a little nice headdress there. Thank you for watching. Let me zoom her out. And hopefully someone will be able to open that lock for her. And she'll be on her way. And there you go, everyone. And those are just a couple of quick ones I got a lot of likes for. So thank you again, everyone. Please view, like, and comment. And please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And once again, be inspired and color. Thank you.